Let's keep it spicy in the bedroom. I am Dr. Lewis, and I'm going to give you my favorite tips on how you can keep it spicy. Number one, try something new. You cannot do missionary style every time. Okay, it's time for us to mix it up. Number three, make sure that you are exploring what turns your spouse on. Like I told you, my first tip is to try new things. The other thing is you want to take interest in what your spouse likes. And when they tell you what they like, don't say, "Ooh, that's nasty. You want me to do what? What kind of person are you?" Like, don't shame them for their desires. Otherwise, they will stop talking to you about them. And when they stop talking to you about them, it just gives a window for other things to happen. So create a safe space where your spouse can feel comfortable telling you about what they really like. Next thing is prioritize it. Maybe it's not going to just happen if you have kids and you run a busy business. A lot of times I work with couples who are entrepreneurs and influential couples, and sometimes we gotta schedule it. I know you just want it to flow and happen naturally, but when you were dating, it wasn't like that. When you were dating, you scheduled your days, and that's the same way when it comes to after marriage. You have to prioritize time for connection. Otherwise, time will slip away. If you want more of my tips on how you can have better intimacy, go to AtlantaCoupleTherapy.com and book an appointment today.